action plan by the government to address the dilapidated school buildings?
Look, if you talk about dilapidated school building, it's a long pending issue for Meghalaya's for many years. For last, if you talk about it, for last 20-30 years, we have not, the government did not constructed a new school building, nor renovated, nor repairing for quite long. But the MDA government has decided to renovate and to newly construct all the government institutions first. Okay? And last 4-5 years, about 2,000 plus has government LP school has been renovated, and more than 500 plus newly has been constructed. However, it's not over. We are still more. I'll give an example. As an MLA, we don't know all out, all the small things in the village. Look, I have from the government side in because we are at the mission 4 now. Education mission phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 is completed. So we are going for the phase 4 now. So in last phase 1 to 3, there was a school in my constituency called Siju Songmong Government LP School. I was not aware in the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, but there is there was complete no buildings exists of that school. There was a teacher posted there, and there was no students also. I am surprised there is no building at all. But when I came to know, and we have sent a new teacher also there posting, and I have constructed temporarily with the CGA seat, and the school is being running now. But however, we are taking up that school building under phase 4 now, and we will be constructing the new building for Siju Songmong Government LP School. Like that, there may be many schools who are not been attended for quite long and not ever by the honorable MLAs, but therefore we have already instructed all the officers to send a proposal on priority basis. We don't know, because we don't know what happened where, and therefore and also instructed all the headmasters to give the detailed information of the school's bidding and even the SMC rate. So then wherever is required, need basis, we will go with a priority. So therefore, I know there was some video viral is being going on like that. There are many like this. So not only people, I would request people. Yes, I don't have any issue, but I will also request them to send the detailed information to the officials also, because we can take the step immediately. So because sometimes, you can go on with the media, but at the same time, please communicate to the authority properly also. And we have also instructed DC and our officers to do the needful.
Have you made any such a number of schools?
Yeah, we have already instructed our officers from the day one when the mission start, when the education mission start, and they are sending the proposal. But sometimes because of we cannot take at one go, we have to get phase by phase. But still, however, look, there are many. Suppose today we are constructing the school today, but tomorrow if the weather doesn't good, it will damage again because of the storm, because of the weather, and also because of disaster happens. So all things happen like this. All has been done. We are if we talk about with the state university, the admission process will start any time from now. We are waiting for the degree 6th semester bachelor degree result to be out, and also we are likely to start the postgraduate courses in some of the department, even in Shillong campus from this academic.
The Shillong campus is ready.
We will be running in that temporary campus for now.
From where, sir?
So we are working on that, but definitely we are exploring to start the academic of some department, maybe 2-3 department in Shillong campus from this year, from August, September.
How many colleges are affiliated till now?
That figure is not with me because university, I think it is about 12 to 13 maybe, if I'm not wrong.